Vivian is leaving us. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Guys, so now I'm heading to the airport to drop Vivian off. Her suitcases are ridiculously humongous and heavy. And she was here with us for 2 weeks. Now she's going home. Back home to Lagos. I wish I was going to Lagos too, you know. It's alright. Okay guys, so we're now currently heading to the airport. You know what's so crazy? The last time Vivian was here, I was just learning how to drive and I just got my license. Now I'm the one driving her to the airport. I'm driving her around, like, I mean, how crazy is that? Vivian, how do you like living in Nigeria?
It can be kind of hectic sometimes, you know, things don't really work. There's no system as you would expect, but if you make it work for yourself, it's really good. Like you can be happy and like live a good life. You know what I mean? So yeah, it works. But like I feel like I need breaks. So I can't stay in Nigeria for like too long of a period. Because I feel like I'm losing my mind. Like you feel like you're literally running insane. Like you start acting mad, basically.
Yeah.
You know, because everyone there, like especially Lagos, everybody's kind of like so much aggression and anger.
It's almost like everybody is like on survival mode constantly.
Yeah,
So
you just have to kind of like manage it and control the energy you surround yourself with. But other than that, it's good. It's home for me, so I enjoy it. And I like the weather as well. Like Canadian weather is rubbish. So I'm over the cold. I'm over it. So I'm so excited to be going back to Lagos. But yeah, I'll miss Canada. Has its perks as well.
yeah. What would you say like is your favorite part about living in Nigeria?
My favorite part is probably the food. There's like so many yummy dishes in Nigeria. I like ewedu. I like jollof rice. I like porridge yam. Lots of stuff. Yeah, the food I think is my favorite part. And just being around so many people that you can I don't know, I don't feel different in Nigeria as opposed to Canada. It's like in Canada, okay, it's multicultural, but like in Nigeria it's more like my people. You feel me?
Yeah. Which makes sense.
Yeah, you know.
I mean, even though there's like Nigerians in Canada, like I feel like it's not the same because obviously when you're in Nigeria you have your own people that you know, like from when you're young and stuff like that, you build that like relationship with them. And then when you come here, it's kind of, I mean, there's nothing, we make friends and everything, but it's never the same. Like the relationship is not the same as like with your OGs. What do you think?
Yeah, definitely, I agree. Because I kind of like keep my circle small. Even in Nigeria, I also find it hard to make new friends because I don't even know where to start from. But that's a different story. Like, honestly.
Yeah.
But yeah, I just feel like I'm at home in Nigeria. Like my family's there. You know. And yeah, I enjoy it.
Business wise, what would be kind of like your advice for somebody that just moved back and they're trying to find a job or trying to basically establish themselves?
I think that in Nigeria, before you move back to Nigeria, first of all, make sure you have something to come back home to. So I don't believe in moving back to Nigeria on your own and then you have no family, you have no friends, you're just on your own. And no, that's not gonna work. ensure that you're already like looking for jobs before you actually make the move. Just to avoid frustration, because you can get really frustrated in Nigeria. It's very easy to get frustrated. And if you're gonna start your business, just make sure you come back with a plan. I think it's very important to come back with the plan, because you don't want to come there and be trying to, it's not a place where you can come and try and figure things out and just go with the flow. No, like you have to really like plan yourself
and already have things somewhat figured out.
Yeah, have something to come back to. You know, accommodation is not easy to find a decent place in Nigeria that's affordable. You have to make sure that is sorted for yourself. Transportation, how are you going to be moving around? Like, it's not like Canada where public transportation is convenient. In Nigeria, it's a whole different story. So just make sure you have your stuff figured out before you actually make the move. Just to avoid frustration, because I know a lot of people move back to Nigeria. They think it's easy. They think it's, oh, I'll just move back and then I'll get a job, but it's not that way. You know, it's not that easy. So yeah, just try and sort yourself out before you actually come back. Yeah, that's what I'll say. But other than that, if you have everything, or if you have most things figured out, you'll be good. Good to go. Come back with your plan and execute. Yeah.
True story, guys. True story. How long have you been in Nigeria for now?
I'll say like 3 years now.
3 years. You went back, was it the year after you graduated, like undergrad you left?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you graduated in 2016, no?
Oh wow. Okay. Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah.
So 3 years.
3 years so far. And
so
sis
good.
is doing good. Living it up. Living la vida loca. Nigeria is fun, honestly, but I feel like if you're there for a long time.
It's only fun if you're coming for like vacation. You know, short period of time. Not like living there. Living there is a whole different thing, you know?
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of things that you're used to over here that in Nigeria it's like a privilege. Like having constant electricity is like, wow. You know? And then having good, clean water is even something else. And security, everything is like, you know. And I would recommend that you actually come back to visit often before you actually make the move.
Yeah.
You know, because you have to have a feel of where you're coming back to. So you can know if it makes sense for you. You know.
Yeah.
Because it might make sense for someone else, but for you, your own reality is different. You know. So,
yeah.
Just make sure you check everything you need to check.
Make sure you check everything you need to check, guys. Let's come around
because it's not easy. It's not easy. When I first moved back, I was always frustrated. Like, wow.
You just be sad.
I was
for a bit, but once you get used to it, though, you'll be fine. To be honest.
Yeah, once you get used to it, I think it's fine.
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
Guys, I just parked the car and like this airport is so huge and confusing. I'm trying to just head back to the terminal now to just meet up with Vivian. I found Vivian, guys. That was one journey. Time to travel and go and go. Can you imagine? It's not going to be like me and Sumto left here. Oh my gosh, guys. So we checked in.
Yeah.
What time is the flight? 9. 9:15. It's time to say goodbye, guys. I don't stay extra for 5 minutes. Thank you, but no thanks.
Let me do one. She just gave up.
There's no way this stupid box.
When she moves
This way. Oh well.
Uh-oh.
Oh well. It's time to go. Oh, bye. I'm sad, y'all. Anyways, safe flight. God bless you. Say hi to mom. My mom's in Nigeria, guys. You guys know. She's already home. She left us. But yeah. Bye, y'all. So I just dropped off my sister, and yeah, I'm heading home, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog right here. Thank you so much for watching. Oh my God, you trying to kill me? Blood of Jesus Christ, this guy right here was driving to me. My life flashing before my eyes. I said, Lord Jesus. It's actually not funny, but that was actually scary. Yeah, it's freezing in here. Where the heck did I park? Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I need to find my car. So see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.